Okay, let's talk about it. Renewing your vehicle registration in New York. Just saying those words can make you feel, ugh. But what if I told you that you could get it all done in less time than it takes to make your morning coffee? Well, in this explainer, we're going to walk through exactly how to do it online, step by step, and believe it or not, completely stress-free.
You totally know the feeling, right? That envelope from the DMV shows up and you just get this little pit in your stomach, thinking, oh no, not this again. You immediately picture endless lines, confusing paperwork, and just a whole day wasted.
But it really doesn't have to be a nightmare. The online process is actually incredibly simple once you know what to do. So we're going to make this whole process a straight shot from start to finish. You'll be renewed and back to your life in no time.
So, first up, let's just cover the absolute basics. Seriously, understanding these simple things is the key to avoiding all those common headaches people run into. Okay, first things first, what are we even doing here? A registration renewal? It's just the official way you pay the state of New York to keep your vehicle legally on the road. It's really just proof that you're all paid up and good to go for another term.
Now here's the secret, and it's a big one. Most renewal problems happen before you even log on to the DMV website. A few minutes of prep, kind of a pre-flight check, can save you from hitting a major wall.
These are the big three, the things that can totally stop you in your tracks. First, your address. Is it right? Because if not, your new stuff is going to get lost in the mail. Second, insurance. The DMV system literally talks to your insurance company. If their computers can't confirm you're covered, it's an automatic nope. And third, your inspection. An expired inspection? That's an instant roadblock. Get these three things lined up and you've already won half the battle.
All right, prep work is done. It's time for the main event. Let's walk through the 5 super simple steps to get this thing done online. And I promise it's way faster than you're imagining.
But wait, before we even hit step 1, listen up, because this is probably the most important tip I can give you. Make absolutely sure you are on the official New York DMV website. There are all these tricky third-party sites out there that look legit, but all they do is charge you extra money for something you can easily do yourself. So here's how it breaks down. Step 1, go to the official site. Step 2, you'll enter your plate number and vehicle info. My advice? Be really careful with that long VIN number. One wrong digit is the #1 reason people get a vehicle not found error. Step 3, this is huge. Double check that your mailing address is perfect before you hit pay. Step 4, the system does the math and gives you the exact total. And step 5, and you can't skip this, save or print that confirmation. It is your legal proof that you renewed until the official sticker arrives in the mail. But what if you do everything right and you still hit a roadblock? Trust me, it happens. The good news is most of these problems have fixes that are surprisingly simple.
So you followed all the steps, you click the button, and the system just says no. So why? Let's dig into the most common reasons your online renewal might get shut down.
Let's look at the usual suspects. If you get an insurance not verified error, the fix is usually just calling your insurance agent. For an address mismatch, all you have to do is update your address online first and then go back and try the renewal again. If the system can't find vehicle, I'd bet money you have a typo in your plate or VIN, so check that again carefully. And if there's some kind of special hold, don't worry, the system will tell you exactly what you need to do next.
Now, what happens if you never even got that renewal notice in the mail? It's a common problem, but unfortunately, it doesn't get you off the hook. The renewal deadline is still your responsibility. Your best bet is to just look at the expiration date on your current registration sticker or on your card and pop a reminder in your phone's calendar.
All right, let's bring it all home. We'll wrap up with the final super important details, how much it costs, when it's due, and a few last tips to make sure everything goes off without a hitch.
One of the biggest questions is always, so how much is this going to cost me? And the real answer is, well, it depends. The fee isn't the same for everybody. It changes based on your type of vehicle, the county you live in, and of course, whether you're late. This is exactly why you should never ever just guess the amount.
And this brings us back to a really crucial point. The only fee you should ever pay is the one that the official DMV website calculates for you during the renewal process. Don't go by what you paid last year, and definitely don't trust some other website's estimate. Let the official system tell you the real number.
So, let's just run through that final checklist for success. 1. Let the official website do the math on your fee. 2. Know your expiration date and don't put it off. 3. And maybe most importantly, always save that final confirmation screen. It's your get-out-of-jail-free card.
And really, that's the ultimate takeaway here. This isn't just about renewing your registration. It's about trading a whole day of potential frustration for just 5 minutes of simple prep. So the next time that DMV envelope shows up, you have to ask yourself, is this a headache, or is it just a 5-minute task you can knock out before you've even finished your coffee?